Ken chapter, and Sarika will tell me what was the first sentence.
Sir, the first sentence was you could not. Sorry.
Ken chapter, beta.
Yes, sir. The first sentence was I can make my future myself. Sir, this is only sentence you have given.
Thank you. Aparna, have I given you any more sentence in Ken chapter?
No, sir, you haven't given us any. You haven't given us any more sentence in this chapter.
Okay, thank you. Renu, have you written this sentence informed by Sarika?
Yes, sir. I have written this sentence informed by Sarika.
Thank you. So please write down the next sentence, guys. Number two, बारिश हो सकती है. I'm missing Ritu, guys, because this sentence is important. It is small but important. She should have been. Okay. Poonam, are you back? Okay, no problem. So, who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence.
I
Uh,
have to.
Sarika, tell me who made the last sentence.
Sir, I made the last sentence.
So, let Aparna make this sentence.
Okay, sir.
Aparna, who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence.
Go
This
ahead, please.
sentence belongs to Can chapter. It is an affirmative sentence.
Go ahead. Good.
First of all, I will. She's coming. Okay, who is coming? Ritu. Ritu Kaushal has
Ah,
joined.
Aparna, carry on. She will be listening. She will be listening.
Okay. It first of all, I will take the subject, and the subject is it. Later on, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is can. Thereafter, I will take the verb.
Come again, Aparna. I could not hear.
Later
Are
on,
you,
I will take.
Aparna? What is? Check your volume button. Okay, carry on. It's okay. It's okay.
Later on, I will take the verb, and the verb is be. First
Good.
form of verb be.
Right.
Um, Later on, in the lastly, I will take the noun or adjective. And the noun or adjective is rain.
Good. Nice try. Well tried.
It can be rain.
Good. Thank you. Now it's Renu's go. Who has
Yes, sir.
to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence. It is an affirmative sentence, and
This
sorry, this sentence belongs to can chapter. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is it. Then I take the helping verb, and helping verb is can. Thereafter, I will take
please repeat the previous sentence.
Uh, then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is can. Thereafter, lastly, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is no, sorry, V1, first form of verb, and the first form of verb is rain. And at the end, I will put the full stop. The sentence is it can.
Thank you, Renu. This is absolutely correct. And just for nothing, uh, I'm inviting Ritu to make this sentence.
Okay,
Ritu,
so
who has to make this sentence?
sir, I have to make make that sentence. Uh, that sentence belongs to Ken chapter. This is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take subject, and the subject is it in this
बेटा
sentence.
एक थोड़ी सी लिपस्टिक लगाओ ना.
Firstly, I will take the subject.
ऋतु, पता है ना अपन दाग क्यों लगाते हैं यार? डू यू नो?
नहीं
नहीं
मालूम
पता.
सर, लगा देते हैं बस ऐसे।
क्योंकि
क्योंकि
ऋतु
सुनते सुनते
सब्जेक्ट्स तो बहुत सारे हैं. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स. तो हम प्रिसाइज करते हैं, पर्टिकुलर, मतलब जो इस वाक्य में आ रहा है वो सब्जेक्ट. देयर आर सो मेनी सब्जेक्ट्स, so we specify. Firstly we take the subject मतलब जो यहाँ है.
yeah.
Like,
Okay. Firstly, I will take the subject, and subject is in this sentence. I add it, and
बेटा यहाँ से in this sentence हटाओ और फिर से बोलो, and the subject is it.
it.
फिर से बोलो, come
Firstly,
on.
I will take the subject, and the subject is it. Then I add the helping verb. Helping verb is can. Then
And the helping verb is.
can is the helping
And
verb,
the helping verb is.
and the helping verb is can. Lastly, I will add the first form of verb, and the first form of verb is rain.
यहाँ पे फिर गलत हो गया रे. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. अब कौन सी वर्ब? थोड़ी सी लिपस्टिक यहाँ पे भी चाहिए.
First form of the verb.
The verb means जो इस वाक्य
इस वाक्य
की
में ली
क्रिया
जा रही
है. Right? The verb.
And the first verb is rain. Lastly, I will put full stop. Then it is can rain.
Thank you.
बारिश हो सकती है.
Mute yourself and listen. I'm telling you the experience of some students who come to me. So actually, whenever anybody wants to learn in Jabalpur, so they firstly go to that coaching class which is very famous, known, or advertised. So, but when they come to me finally, इसको मैं हिंदी में ऐसा कहता हूँ कि घाट घाट का पानी पीने के पश्चात बच्चे जब मेरे पास आते हैं, तो अब बच्चों की आदत तो होती है, वो बताते हैं सर वो वहां पे ऐसा यहाँ ब्ला ब्ला. तो किसी बच्चे ने बताया था कि यू नो रितु, तुमने भी सुना होगा जब तुम जबलपुर में थी, कि जबलपुर में जो सबसे फेमस टीचर हुआ करती थी इंग्लिश कोचिंग के नाम पे, किसी ने नाम सुना? बताओ, हम भूल गए.
मैं भी भूल गई हूँ मैम, कौन
नाम
सी
मैं भी
मैम.
भूल गई सर, मैंने भी ज्वाइन की थी वो.
हाँ,
थोड़े
लोबो.
समय के लिए मोटे से
लोबो
सर,
मैम,
हाँ,
लोबो मैम,
एक
लोबो
लोगो मैम,
मैम.
एक और थे, मोटे से सर थे.
वो तो खंडेलवाल सर थे,
और
मनोज खंडेल.
तो बेटा लोबो मैडम एक्चुअली बेसिकली शी वाज क्रिश्चियन. लोबो, she was Christian and she was very famous. There used to be 100 guys at a time. And now she has been so much old and she's uh, under the sun or not, I don't know. किसी को कुछ ऐसा सुनने को मिला जो ना समझ में आया हो?
अटर. Attire. You said attire a son or you said utter.
Okay. This is today's interactive sentence.
Sir, board is not completely visible to me.
Yes. Have you
I have
double
already,
tapped?
yeah, sir. I have already double tapped, but
Okay, I'm changing the place of tripod.
But it is visible to me
but
and
now it is completely visible.
And you can adjust your screen accordingly.
Yes,
You
sir.
can zoom in, zoom out.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Sir, I want to interrupt.
Please.
Sir, I want to deliver my speech if you permit.
No, absolutely. I always get happy to hear this sentence. And
Okay.
in some batches, I'm dying to hear this sentence, but people are not. कुछ बैच में मैं इस तरह का वाक्य सुनने के लिए हमेशा आतुर रहता हूँ. I'm eager to hear this sentence, but they don't speak. I think they remain mute. They remain on the mute mode. They remain on mute mode.
Actually, sir, my speech was ready since 2 weeks, but I was like very much afraid. Now also, like it happens, but finally I decided कि जो बनेगा I will speak. So today I decided कि नहीं मैं तो बोलूँगी आज. So
दोस्तों
पता
हम
है it
दोहरा
happens.
दे रहे हैं इस बात को कि स्पीच दर स्पीच आपका हेजिटेशन, डर, whatever, वो अपने आप कम होता जाएगा. अपने आप. चाहे वो दिस इज आई डोंट नो बट दिस इज बिटर ट्रुथ. आप
Yes,
जितनी
sir.
स्पीच के.
हाँ,
हाँ.
yesterday sharing with Ruhi कि you afraid, even I also very much afraid. I am ready with my speech, but I am not telling. Yesterday Aparna asked me, you are ready? मैंने बोला नहीं आज निकल. So it is like वो जितना टाल सकते हैं ना, so it happens कि भाई निकल कल कल. So डर तो लगता ही है, I don't know why.
हम बता देते वो क्यों लगता है. एक सेंटेंस हमने एक शॉप में पढ़ा था, बड़ा अच्छा लगा. वो शॉप एक्चुअली एक्सरसाइज इंस्ट्रूमेंट से रिलेटेड है. एक्सरसाइजिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बेचता है. तो उस सेंटेंस को हम बोल रहे हैं, यहाँ आएगा भी और हम यहाँ लिख भी देंगे. I is only the difference between fit and fat.
I is only the difference between fit and fat. Is it okay?
Absolutely correct.
Yeah.
Spelling, can you please suggest me? I forgot spelling of difference.
DIFFERENCE.
Aparna, please speak this sentence.
okay, sir. I is only the difference between fit and fat. Sarika?
I is only the difference between fit and fat. रेनू भाभी.
Renu, unmute yourself, please.
I is only the difference between fit and fat. Ritu?
I is only the difference between fit and fat. Poonam?
I is only the difference between fit and fat.
Poonam, have you got it? The sense? Tell me
Sir,
if you have got it.
sir, I will try. I'm
Ha,
not.
please.
Uh, uh, Fitness is more. If
Come again, I could not hear.
sir, if I am fat but fit, so fitness is important. Like
Good. Thank you. Sarika?
Sir, there is a slightly difference between fit and fat. If we desire the through the fitness, so we can achieve the fitness instead of fat, like this. कि मतलब बहुत ही छोटी सी छोटा सा डिफरेंस होता है, हम चाहें तो उसको बदल सकते हैं. लाइक जैसे हमें कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है, पर हमारे अंदर ही हम बिल्ड करके हम उससे बाहर निकल सकते हैं, इस तरह.
Thank you. Very nice. Next is Renu.
Sir, I is the only difference in fit and fat means कि जैसे कि कोई खुद ही अपने मतलब खुद ही अपने डर के लिए जिम्मेदार होते हैं.
Thank you. Ritu?
सर फिट में जो आई लगा है वो और जो फैट में ए लगा है, इन दोनों में सिर्फ एक ही वर्ड, एक ही लेटर का डिफरेंस है. फिट है तो वो पॉजिटिव है और फैट है तो वो नेगेटिव है. आई थिंक सो.
Thank
रितु,
you.
आई इज ओनली द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिट एंड फैट. आई का डिफरेंस है बस फिट और फैट में.
Thank you.
excuse me, Ritu, tilt your camera a little bit down so your half face is up.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
गिर गया.
And now mute yourself, please. Guys, you all are correct. अब हम इस तरह की चीजों पर चर्चा करने लगे हैं इस बैच में, क्योंकि आप काफी आगे आ गए हैं. तो आगे आपको इस तरह के बहुत सारे वाक्य मिलेंगे जो इंग्लिश में आप ट्रांसलेट तो कर लेंगे, बिल्कुल सरल होंगे जैसे ये है, लेकिन कई बार आप उसकी गहराई और वास्तविकता को नहीं समझ पाएंगे.
Sir, I
और
did not
उसके लिए
answer.
कम अगेन.
I did not answer.
अरे अपर्णा इज रेस्ट. हाँ हाँ अपर्णा, गो अहेड.
Actually, I'm trying to answer it. Ki there is a, as Ritu said, ki there is a minutely different with the spelling, but the difference is a big. Fit and fat means you are fit, so you can capable to do anything, but you are not fit or you are fat. So you can understand yourself what is the problem with you. I can understand very well.
थैंक यू अपर्णा. दोस्तों, हम इस तरह के वाक्य जूनियर बैच में डिस्कस नहीं करते हैं. यहाँ जूनियर बैच के कुछ बच्चे मौजूद हैं, साइलेंट मोड पे हैं. पूनम, यू आर डन ना? यू हैव गिवन आंसर. हाँ, फर्स्टली आई आस्क्ड. ओके, थैंक यू. क्योंकि वो इसका मीनिंग तो निकाल लेंगे, ट्रांसलेट भी कर लेंगे, बट आई विल गो विथ रेनू। रेनू ने जो समझा है वो बिल्कुल सही है। आई इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिट एंड फैट। अगर आप फिट हैं तो उसके लिए आई जिम्मेदार है, मतलब यू। अगर आप फैट हैं तो उसके लिए भी आई जिम्मेदार है, मतलब यू। ये इस तरह की चीजें शब्दों से जादू करने वाली चीजें कहलाती हैं। तो वहां आई लेटर के दोनों अर्थ हैं। एक तो साफ साफ दिख रहा है कि FIT फिट, FAT फैट, तो वो बच्चा भी कोई भी बोल देगा हाँ इसमें आई, और ये दैट इज ओके। लेकिन ये जो आई है ये जिम्मेदार है फिट के लिए भी और फैट के लिए भी। ओके, सो इस पे चर्चा कर ले पहले। इंटरेक्टिव। Have you understood? She is under the sun. No.
Sir, maybe she is blessed.
No, she is under like great pressure, I think. Pressure में होना.
अच्छा, अब हम दो सवाल आपसे करवाने जा रहे हैं। पहला पूनम करेगी और दूसरा ऋतु, लेकिन इंग्लिश में करना, हम हिंदी बता दे रहे हैं। पूनम आप हमसे पूछना, चलो हम इंग्लिश ही बता देते हैं। आप हमसे पूछना व्हाट अबाउट योर फादर, उसके बाद हम आंसर देंगे, आप म्यूट करना। ऋतु पूछेगी व्हाट अबाउट योर मदर, राइट? आज पूनम।
Sir, what about your father?
He is no more. Ritu?
Sir, what about your mother?
She is under the sun. She is under the sun. But my father is no more. Got it?
Yes, sir, she is under blessing, मतलब भगवान की दया है.
वे मौजूद हैं, वे जिंदा है। हिंदी
अच्छा.
अगर सीधा सीधा बोला जाए वे जिंदा है
अच्छा.
या वे मौजूद है। चलिए हम एक पूरा राउंड खेलते हैं, सारिका से स्टार्ट करते हैं। हम यहाँ पे रिश्तों को न लेकर चलिए कुछ और क्रिएटिविटी करते हैं। सारिका, हम कठिन सवाल पूछ रहे हैं। डू यू नो अबाउट सुभाष चंद्र बोस?
Yes, sir. I know, but he is no more.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
sure. Actually, sir, in the Subhash Chandra Bose, there is a mystery about his death. So many stories has about his death, na?
There are many stories.
There are many stories. So
And
nobody can.
rumors. And
Yeah,
rumors.
humors. Yeah. So what should I answer, sir? Because we don't know about him, na, exactly.
That's why I said I'm asking a difficult question, because nobody is sure that Subhash Chandra Bose
Both
is under the
that.
sun or he is no more.
All
Yeah.
answer will do, sir.
Uh, okay, please go ahead. Sarika, ask somebody else.
Okay. Aparna Di, what about the Pramod Mahajan ji?
He's no more. Sarika.
Should I complete the process, sir?
No.
No, na? No need. Okay.
Okay. Renu Bhabe. What about Modi ji's mother?
She is under the sun. Okay. So, Ritu, what about Kalpana Mishra, I think. Kalpana
Chawla.
Chawla. Yeah, thank you. What about Kalpana Chawla?
She is no more. Poonam,
She is the.
she is no more, I said.
She said she.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, Di, I couldn't listen.
Okay, okay. It will
No,
do.
actually, sometimes Google gets confused.
Poonam, what about your mother-in-law?
Ritu, she is under the sun. Sir, what about Abdul Kalam ji?
Oh, he is no more. Uh, uh, um, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, he was under the sun, but now he is no more. अब देखो दोस्तों, हमने दोनों वाक्यों का प्रयोग कर लिया. आप भी कर सकते थे. You could have also done it. It's okay. रितु, इट कैन रेन का इन्वर्टेड बनाओ और रेनू से पूछो. आप आंसर, you are free to answer negative or affirmative, whatever.
Okay. Renu, can it rain?
Yeah, Ritu, it can rain as it is very cloudy here.
सर हिंदी में भी पूछना है.
डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. एक बार तो पूछ ही लो यार.
पूछ ही ले.
स्टार्टिंग में
रेनू, क्या रेन्स हो सकती है?
बेटा पूरा
हाँ.
हिंदी करूँ ना.
रेनू, क्या बारिश हो सकती है?
हाँ रितु, बरसात हो सकती है क्योंकि ये यहाँ बादल घिरे हुए हैं. ओके. सारिका, कैन इट रेन?
Yeah, Bhabhi, it can rain heavily.
ओके. क्या बरसात हो सकती है बॉम्बे में?
हाँ हाँ भाभी, बहुत भारी बारिश हो सकती है. इनफैक्ट हो रही है. It is raining cats and dogs here.
Actually, the prediction, you have listened that prediction of 48 hours prediction is there. So it will rain heavily in Nagpur also. Yeah.
Poonam Bhabhi, can it rain?
Yes, Sarika, it can rain. Who is the rest?
Who is rest?
Who is
I'm
rest?
rest. I'm
Aparna.
rest.
Aparna. Okay. Aparna, can it rain?
Yeah, Poonam, it can rain. In fact, it is raining here.
Okay.
Okay, who is rest? All are done, na?
Yes, all are done. But you are rest for questioning.
Yeah, sir. Can it rain, sir?
No, it cannot rain in Jabalpur because it is sunny.
Actually, sir, I want to tell one thing. I was little bit confused about who Sakti. So I have taken B as a it can be rain. I was messed up it.
It is not new for
In
me.
fact, you have given the verb rain as a rain, but
I know.
used to use this. It can be rain. It can be
I
rain.
know. दोस्तों, हमने कभी आपसे बोला होगा, हमारी सफलता का जो मूल है वो यही है कि घायल की गति घायल जाने और न जाने को. हमें पता होता है कि आप कहाँ गलती करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि मैं भी वहीं गलती करता हूँ. चलो रितु, रेनू से पूछो आज कहाँ बारिश हो सकती है.
रेनू, where can rain today? Where can where
it can.
can where can it rain today?
Where can it rain today? Okay. Come again, Ritu, once.
Where can it rain today?
Okay. Ritu, it can rain in full Vidarbha. Vidarbha.
रेनू, आज कहाँ बारिश हो सकती है?
आज सारे विदर्भ में बारिश हो सकती है. Okay. Aparna, where can it rain today?
Thank you, Renu Bhavi, for calling me. Bhavi, it can be rain in Jabalpur. It can rain to Jabalpur.
Okay. बरसात कहाँ हो सकती है?
जबलपुर में बरसात हो सकती है. Okay, Poonam, where can it rain?
Well, Ritu, it can rain anywhere. Where
Aparna बोल के
it's
सब बोल.
rainy. Sorry. Aparna, it can rain anywhere because it's rainy season.
You addressed me ना रेतु, तो रेतु ऐसा देख रही थी बाबा. Why is she calling me?
Okay, Sarika. Sarika,
Yes,
Sarika, where can it rain?
Bhavi, it can rain especially in coastal areas. Sir,
Okay.
can I ask you?
Please, you can.
Okay. Sir, where it can rain?
सॉरी, WH के बाद
Okay.
हमेशा
It's
सहायक चाहिए.
हाँ जी. Where can it rain, sir?
I really don't know, Sarika, where it can rain. Are you shocked to hear my answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
समय आ गया है. हम थोड़ा सा और वेट कर रहे हैं कि ऋतु WH का सही प्रयोग करने लग जाए, फिर हम वो चैप्टर दें आपको जो अभी अभी हमने प्रयोग किया. हाँ, अगर तुम चाहो सारिका तो कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस करो तो तुम्हें सही उत्तर भी मिल जाएगा.
जी सर. सर, कहाँ रेन हो सकती है?
पूरा हिंदी बोलो ना.
जी सर, कहाँ बारिश हो सकती है?
सारिका, पता नहीं कहाँ हो सकती है. इसको क्लॉस कहते हैं दोस्तों, क्लॉस. चलिए, नाउ रेनू हैज बीन वेटिंग फॉर द स्पीच, so let me adjust my tripod and meanwhile let me confirm with Uparwala that she is ready for the recording or not.
Wali.
Oh, Wala means
Wali.
okay. Renu, this is your third speech, I think. Second. Okay. So, guys, I would like to invite Renu Sangi for delivering her second speech. Put your hands together for her.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for giving me an opportunity to deliver my second speech in this batch. Today, I am sharing my husband's daily routine as a third person singular. Um, Before sharing his daily routine, I would like to define his personality in front of you. He is like hardworking, practical, observant, calm, and composed human being. He is again he is a cool-minded and soft-spoken guy. He is a perfect husband, father, son, and brother. He is an apple of his as well as whole family's, his mother as well as whole family's eye. He is very dedicated to his work. For him, work is worship. Uh, I cannot say that he is miser, but at the same time, he always think before he spends. um, he is always thankful to God for his achievements. He is very close to his father. So he lost his father 5 years back, and he is very simple man. Although he is the number one businessman in his field in Vidarbha region, but he believes in simple living and high thinking. He executes all small as well as big orders very patiently. He loves to stay at home, and he loves to take home cooked food. He is a man of words that I can share you with you all with one incident as we got engaged. So we used to meet, we used to date each other. So that time I come to know that he's having egg. So he used to have egg. So I asked him once, can you leave egg for me? So if possible, don't have egg ever. So that was the day. From that day till now, he doesn't um, have no, he doesn't take takes egg. So so from this you can judge how he keep his words. And he is I can say he is from. I already mentioned that I have not mentioned that he has done LLB law. So as he is from non-technical field. So I want to share one thing. Now he is into technical field. As you all know about the destiny, we all believe in destiny, and this is the practical example of destiny. So his academic studies are different and his interest is different. So he is totally interested in machinery and all. Now you would be like you would surprised to listen that he has no technical background and he is not from the business family. uh, all the We are from the service class, and although from all that he stepped into the business not knowing anything. And even though he doesn't know the spare parts, the technically what is used where. So now so many engineers are under him, and you will be surprised. He is dealing in so many machines, and he knows each and every part of every machine just by studying himself. So and not he has not guidance from anybody, just from catalog, and it is the interest and destiny. So I want to share that great thing about him. And now I'm coming to his routine. He is an early riser. He wakes up very early, and he sometimes, most of the times, I can say, he wakes before me, and he makes me get up. And the first thing he do is brushes his teeth and washes his face. Then he takes 2 glasses of lukewarm water, and thereafter he sits for meditation. And after meditation he immediately go up for a walk on a terrace along with me. There we talk and walk, and we interact about his actually daily there is some issues are there, as it is a technical kind of work, and emergency line is there. So he has so many things to tell me. So he share all that things, and he is very concerned about all the family members, and what all we eat, and what all is required. So he is very very concerned with all. So he asks during the walk, and sometimes he just chant. And he has some like a backbone problem, so he cannot walk throughout, but he walks. Sometimes he walks and then he sits, and then again he walks. So after thereafter he comes down, and we have and he takes tea, that is black tea. And he is becoming health conscious. Actually he was very a big foodie, I want to tell you. But now he is becoming health conscious, as I'm taking very good care of his health. So he takes black tea, and then he again go down, and he open the doors, locks of the gate, and uh, then he reads newspaper. Thereafter he brings vegetable, goes out to bring vegetable uh, thrice a week. Thereafter he segregates the vegetables, and he keep properly in the fridge. Then he sits with the mama and Didi. As Didi is running Ayurvedic unit, no, as you know. So there is lot of issues. She is all totally dependent on her brother. So she always asks for the procurement. So many things are there. So to discuss with her brother, and thereafter he has juice, the green juice. And nowadays he is having lime water, fresh lime water, as we has a tree in our surrounding. So we are having lime water these days. Thereafter he keeps all the things back on the proper places just to help me. And meanwhile his phones start coming, and he attends the call, because it is the emergency line. People like they are calling, they start calling from 5 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. But he keeps his mobile on the silent mode, so that we should not disturb from his call. So he attends the call, and he then gets ready for office. And he has fruits for his breakfast. And as he gets ready, then he immediately goes to the office. And there sometimes he goes alone, and sometimes driver drops him to the office. There he gets very busy. The very first thing he do is puja. He has given one key to his staff, so his office is already open. So he believes his staff very much. And the as you know, office is already open, so he do his prayers first. And then he first thing he do is to ask one of his staff to deposit the checks or cash in the bank. Then he asks another staff to uh, pack the parcels for the previous day order. So first of all, they work for their previous day order, because they have to book the parcels. Then he asks his another staff to call to the recovery. Ask another staff for the recovery um, uh, development. And if possible, he makes the call. Meanwhile, he was busy in attending the customer as well as making the calls. He remained very busy, and he works very hard, and work is worship for him. And at around 2 o'clock he takes millets for his lunch, and along with green chutney. He loves to have green chutney. He always asks me to get ready that chutney, because that millet is very bland. Ritu must be knowing. That experience she must has with her. So he always wanted me to keep green chutney along with the millets, but I'm blessed to have this husband like that ki he adjusts with everything. So thereafter he keep on busy with his duties in the staff office work. um, at around 4 o'clock, he one of his staff makes tea, on induction heater. Then he again has takes sorry. Then he again takes black tea in the office. But nowadays, that the office is still open till 4 o'clock. So he closed the office and come immediately straight to the house. He brings fruits twice or thrice a week, um, thrice in a week while coming home. So as soon as he comes home, he um, takes shower immediately and gets into his night suit. Then he takes black tea along with very little snacks, either one biscuit or some peanuts or like that, very little things. Then after half an hour, he takes one full glass of peanut almond banana shake. Now he is like fed up with that shake, but I keep on giving him so that he can eat less. So then he goes up on the terrace, and there he walks with me, and again we chit chat with each other, and he share his routine the day, and I tell him about my daily my full day routine. So he always asks me about the class, and he from 15-20 days he ask without fail ki you have delivered your speech. So he is very eager for to listen my speech. I showed him that Sarika speech, so he is waiting for that. So thereafter he comes down, and he sits with Didi again, and they interact, Didi and Mummy ji. And in then we all meet for dinner. Then he takes his dinner, and he is a big foodie, and he nowadays he is having only cooked vegetables for his dinner. And he compliment if he finds that dish delicious, and if it is not, then also he comment over that. So either on both the cases he comments whether it is good or bad. So that is his quality. And then at around then after sitting, then he watches the TV along with the family. Thereafter he comes up, and sometimes he makes call to his relatives, and occasionally he make the list of the items. He himself place the order, and he take very good care of that procurement. So he make the list occasionally. Time to time he iron his as well as kids' clothes, and finally he sits and watch his like his it is a leisure time for him. So he watch some satsang kind of thing, and he loves to uh, listen that. And nowadays, like his interest is building in palmistry, lines and all, astrology. So he nowadays he is learning that. And then he at around 10 o'clock he goes to the bed for sleeping. And finally he sleeps. Finally he asks me to apply oil on his hair, so thrice a week. So then he immediately sleeps. He sleeps immediately as he lied on his bed. That is all about my husband's daily routine. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you, for listening. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm very afraid. Bapre, bapre, bapre.
Bhabhi, I want to say one thing. You look gorgeous today, and this
Just
Oh,
because
style
thank you.
goes well on you, really.
Yeah, thank you,
And
I
thank
your
you.
wanted to
Thank
हाँ,
tell
your
you.
speech is very nice. I think Bhaiya will be very happy after listening to your speech. You're
Okay,
so
but I have
confident.
confident.
I,
Okay,
I wanted
actually,
to
that,
tell I wanted to
yeah.
tell you that you have given your trees lemon. We have got yesterday only.
Thank
It was
you.
nice.
Nice.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much for that.
Renu, your speech was wonderful, and you are also
Thank,
looking wonderful.
thank you. I got ready for delivering the speech, and today I thought कि नहीं, I will give anyhow. So I got ready कि नहीं, मैं अगर तैयार होंगी तो मुझे लगेगा कि नहीं, I have to give, I have to give. So I delivered speech finally. But I am very afraid from inside. I don't know that fear, why I fear so much, and I forgot some lines. I added so many things. So I want to like. I want to tell Aparna, I have not seen such a nice human being, because we are not close to anyone. Na? So we are close to, obviously,
Yes,
we
yes.
are close to our husband, the one guy in our life.
All
So I
are
don't
blessed
know
by
others.
the God कि we are having a husband like
Right.
that.
So
We all are
yeah,
blessed by God.
very nice. He, मतलब like a
My
personality
bhabhi
also.
also.
Na?
My
Your
bhabhi
brother.
also. Such a wonderful husband we are having.
Good job, Renu.
इतनी जल्दी बोली अपने भैया के लिए। हम
नहीं
लोग
तो
Thank you.
क्या?
है, तुम नहीं बोलोगी तो भी हम लोग को पता है।
अभी भाभी she is not able to speak, no? Otherwise she tells he.
She is
We will
telling
tell.
behalf of Bhabhi. है ना दी?
Yeah,
So we will
indeed.
ask Bhabhi to deliver speech for Bhaiya.
हाँ, we can do this. हाँ, I have also delivered a speech on him, na? But she can better deliver because she knows nowadays what is he doing. I to assume as well. मतलब what can he do? What are he is doing? What is he doing nowadays? I just assume, but she
Your
can
imagination
probably.
is top of the world, Aparna.
Because
You
क्या?
are you are
It
so
was
affectionate. You are so
हाँ,
giving. You
sky's
are
the limit.
so affectionate.
Sky's the limit,
Actually,
and
sir,
it can assume.
comment. Sir, you have not told anything, sir, till now.
टुमारो। अभी कापियां जचने गई हैं, तो यूनिवर्सिटी रिजल्ट कल घोषित करेगी।
Okay, sir.
Guys, write down one sentence in be future. Sarika, is the blackboard completely visible?
Yes, sir. It is completely visible.
And
But sir, sides are cut, but in
okay,
between, we can see.
I will write between the lines. Uh, what was the last sentence of be future?
Sir, I will be ready. मैं तैयार रहूंगी।
Okay. Second sentence.
और
डरो मत, डरो मत, सब कॉमा विस्मयादिबोधक चिन्ह एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन। डरो मत, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। सारिका, प्लीज रिपीट हिंदी सेंटेंस।
जी, डरो मत, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा।
Okay, this is correct. Who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make
I
this
have to make
sentence.
Okay. Sarika, you made one sentence yesterday, and Renu made one correct sentence today. So I think Poonam, Aparna, or Ritu. Uh, and Poonam or Ritu should make it, firstly, because Ritu is latecomer, Poonam is latecomer. They got less chances to make. So, Ritu, you start. Later on, I will give the chance to Poonam.
Okay, sir. I have to take this. I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to be future, and this is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, uh, I will take the word don't. Sir, what to say? The don't. I don't know. Don't is the helping verb.
नहीं
No,
उसको अपन कोई नाम नहीं देते.
firstly, I will take the word don't, and then I will take the main verb in this sentence, and the main verb in this sentence is be, and then I add the uh, word afraid. Don't be afraid. Then I add um, all. All is in this sentence is uh, introductory. I don't know, sir, what is all. Then
Good, good,
then
good.
I add the helping verb. Helping verb is in the sentence is will. Uh, Lastly, I take the word perfect. Lastly, I put the full stop. Full stop. So sentence is don't be afraid, all will perfect.
Good. Now, Poonam, you should also try.
So I had to make this sentence. First, we will take from this Hindi Daro Mat. So for Daro Mat, we will write don't be afraid. Then we will take सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा is also belongs from be future. So here we will take first subject, and subject is here सब कुछ everything. And then we will take helping verb, and it belongs to be future. Then we will take here helping verb as a will be, and then the main verb is ठीक, everything will be fine, and then we will put the full stop.
Good.
So don't be afraid, everything will be fine.
दोस्तों एक बात हम फिर से कहते हैं. Nowadays you are speaking English and getting me properly, getting the process of this class, comprehending, understanding. So sentence making is never important in this class, because whether the sentence of Ritu is right or wrong, or the sentence of Poonam is right or wrong, does not make any difference. You see, Ritu has spoken so many sentences. She has spoken English. Now English is coming out of your mouth. Poonam did the same. So don't think about this, that my sentence was wrong or right, or her sentence was right or wrong. Does not take it like this. It is not easy because we human are always in comparison. But try to do it. है ना? Aparna, it is your go. पूनम और ऋतु एक चीज सुनना ध्यान से. अपर्णा जरूर उसको बोलेगी, और सारिका भी उसको मेंशन करेगी। तो पहला सेंटेंस ध्यान से सुनना। अपर्णा।
Sir, please ask the question.
Who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence, and this sentence belongs to be future. It is an. This sentence having two parts. No,
Come again, please.
this sentence is having two parts.
This sentence is having two parts.
First part belongs to order or request.
Yes, Ritu, Poonam.
And then, should I elaborate or?
दोस्तों फिर से सुन लीजिए इन हिंदी। जब भी ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट का सेंटेंस आएगा आपको एलिब्रेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। यू कैन डायरेक्टली स्पीक।
Okay, sir. And the sentence is don't worry. Don't worry. What should I take? Don't afraid. No, don't. I'm little bit confused. Don't worry. I'm taking don't worry.
Not only you, but so many guys, maximum guys get confused. Again, I'm saying sentence making is not important. Go ahead.
Don't don't worry is the first sentence, and the second sentence belongs to be future. Very first, I will take the subject, and the subject is everything. Later on, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is will, with the help of will or shall. So main verb is will be. Thereafter, and the last, I will take the adjective or noun. So I will take. What happened with me? And the last, I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective or noun is fine. And the sentence is don't worry, everything will be fine.
Thank you, Aparna. Ritu, it is your go. Who has to make this sentence?
Renu Bhabi, na?
Yeah.
Come
Renu.
again. Renu.
Renu.
Sir,
Okay.
Renu. Sorry if I said Ritu. Renu.
Sir, I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to be future. It is an exclamatory sentence. It is divided into two parts. The first part is from the order or request, and the second part is from the be future. Firstly, we will take
We
that's
nahi, not we.
I take, sorry. I will take order a request word, and the word is don't worry. Then I will put exclamatory sign. Thereafter, I will start the second sentence, and I will take in the first I will take subject, and the subject is everything. Then I will take the main verb, and the main verb is will. Thereafter will be. Thereafter I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective or noun is okay. And the sentence is don't worry, everything will be okay.
Good. Thank you. Lastly, I'd like to invite Sarika.
Okay, sir. Sir, this sentence is having two parts and it is an affirmative sentence. First part belongs to order or request, and the second part belongs to the future. Firstly, I will take the first part. So, don't be scared is the first part. Later on, I will put exclamatory sign here. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is everything. Later on, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is will. Thereafter, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is be. Lastly, I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective or noun is fine, and I will put full stop at the end of the sentence. And the sentence is don't be scared, everything will be fine.
गैस, आपने जितने भी शब्द बोले वो सब सही है. दे आर एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. लेकिन हमने यहाँ ऑल राइट शब्द ले लिया. दोस्तों, इस वाक्य का पहले तो हम आगे बढ़ने से पहले सबसे पहले बताते हैं आपको. रितु, कल जो हमने वाक्य दिया था उसके एंड में कौन सा शब्द आ रहा था हिंदी में? बी फ्यूचर में. रितु, अनम्यूट योर सेल्फ.
I will be ready. मैं तैयार रहूंगी.
नहीं, हमारा सवाल जो समझा है वो जवाब दे.
मैं तैयार हो जाऊंगी.
रहूंगी.
रहना और
बनना।
रहना और होना दो आए थे.
हाँ, तो पहले होना, हो जाऊंगी, होना दिख रहा था. अब बताओ रितु, इसके एंड में, हिंदी के एंड में क्या दिख रहा है?
सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
हाँ, यानी होना इसमें भी दिख रहा है ना? अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. दोस्तों, अधिकतर लोग अफ्रेड को वर्ब मान लेते हैं, स्कैर्ड को वर्ब मान लेते हैं, तो डोंट अफ्रेड, डोंट स्कैर्ड बोलते हैं, जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं है. और ऋतु की आज हम तारीफ करेंगे, उसने बी लगाया. बी बिल्कुल, वहां बी के बिना वो सेंटेंस नहीं बन सकता पहला सेंटेंस, क्योंकि अफ्रेड वर्ब है ही नहीं, स्कैर्ड एडजेक्टिव है. तो ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट में फर्स्ट फॉर्म तो जरूरी है. इसके लिए भी ये सेंटेंस दिया था, तो बिल्कुल सही है. डोंट बी अफ्रेड, डोंट बी स्कैर्ड. उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट जो है, सब कुछ सुनते ही हम लोग और लगाने लग जाते. ये भी एक कारण है कि हमने इसको लिया. और ये हॉलीवुड मूवीज में बहुत फेमस सेंटेंस, और वो लोग इसको खूबसूरती से बोलते हैं. हम पूरा नहीं बोल रहे. एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑलराइट. ओके, एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑलराइट. जस्ट डोंट बी अफ्रेड. Don't be afraid. Everything will be alright. अब यहाँ विल सहायक क्रिया की तरह काम कर रही है. जो लोग अभी तक नोटिस नहीं कर पाए, नोटिस करें. बी चैप्टर में बी मुख्य क्रिया होती है. वो उसमें वो केवल 5 रूपों में आती है: इज, एम, आर, वॉज एंड वर. और जैसा कि कल हमने पूछा था, अब पढ़ना ध्यान करो, कि मिस्टर बी जब फ्यूचर में आते हैं तो किन किन रूपों में आते हैं. ये सवाल हम जानबूझ के करते हैं. आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन नोइंगली, पर्पसली, डेलिबरेटली. तो अब आपका फोकस जवाब देने की तरफ हो जाता है कि हमारा जवाब सही हो रहा है कि गलत, लेकिन आप उसको आत्मसात नहीं करते. बी मुख्य क्रिया है. बी अपने वास्तविक रूप में आता, अपना रूप बदलता नहीं। तो यहाँ बी मुख्य क्रिया है, लेकिन फ्यूचर बिना विल, और इसमें कहा गया है किंतु विल अथवा शैल की मदद से आता है। तो मदद से आता है यानी वो मददगार क्रिया है, यानी हेल्पिंग वर्ब है। यहाँ विल या शैल सहायक क्रिया है और बी मुख्य क्रिया है। और चूंकि बी चैप्टर का कोई भी वाक्य बिना एडजेक्टिव या नाउन के पूर्ण नहीं हो सकता, जाहिर सी बात है, तो एडजेक्टिव या नाउन तो आएगा ही। तो एडजेक्टिव है ऑल राइट। आपके सामने सेंटेंस है, आप चाहे तो जूम करके देख लें, और मन में कोई सवाल आ रहा है तो जरूर पूछें, और आना चाहिए। अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो आना चाहिए, और नहीं पूछोगे तो हम नहीं बताएंगे अगर सही सवाल नहीं पूछे।
Sir, when we
Sir,
make the sentence, so we said ki this sentence is having two parts. So
दिस
should
सेंटेंस
we
इज हैविंग।
is having two parts? So first, we should as just you have given the first part. So should we explain it? Ki it part this one part first one part is a is an negative sentence.
हाँ,
Don't be.
ये बोलना चाहिए था। अब
Actually,
दो
I was wrong, sir.
हाँ,
I realized that time, but I
I
couldn't
also.
express. हाँ, I thought कि okay, let it be.
फर्स्ट वन इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, या फर्स्ट पार्ट इज नेगेटिव एंड सेकंड पार्ट इज अफर्मेटिव।
Affirmative.
sir, I want to ask one thing. Sir, this exclamatory word chin is there, na? So we don't have to mention that anywhere.
दिस वन
Yeah.
Exclamatory mark.
हाँ, एक्चुअली हम किसी को बोल रहे हैं डोंट बी अफ्रेड, तो है तो ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट ही, हम उसको ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं, लेकिन एक्सक्लेमेशन के साथ दे रहे हैं, थोड़ा भाव के साथ। नहीं नहीं नहीं, डरो मत डरो मत डरो मत, लाइक दिस। तो कैसा, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन रेनू? कि
Sir,
इसको
I want to ask. Sir, actually, I want to ask कि we don't have to mention this like chin को exclamatory mark को we don't have to mention while making the sentence. I want to ask that.
no no, you can, it is good, you can
Okay.
mention। uh, चलो ये चीजें तो हो गई, लेकिन हाँ बता दे तो कुछ।
When we talk, you don't put.
अभी एक और सवाल का इंतजार है मुझे। चलो, जिसके जहन में बाद में भी आए ना तो वो व्हाट्सएप में डालना, और नहीं तो कल पूछना। अब मैं व्हाट्सएप नाउअडेज आई डू नॉट चेक, समटाइम्स आई रेयरली। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद Sarika. Sarika, speak this sentence as it is.
Okay, sir. Don't be scared. Everything will be all right. डरो मत, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। अपर्णा दी।
Don't be scared. Everything will be all right. Renu Bhabhi.
Don't be scared. Everything will be all right. Ritu.
Don't be scared. Everything will be all right. डरो मत, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। पूनम।
Don't be scared. Everything will be all right. So, all are done.
सर जो एग्जेक्टिव और नाउन आ जाता है ना अचानक से, वो मुझे कई बार समझ में नहीं आता सर। लास्ट में ऑल राइट, फाइन, ओके, ये एडजेक्टिव और नाउन कैसे होता है ये समझना पड़ेगा।
बी चैप्टर का वीडियो एक बार फिर से शेयर करो, अपर्णा और सारिका और रेनू, whoever is having।
Yesterday
video.
I have
Sir,
sent in
Aparna
the
Di
group.
already sent recently.
Yes.
So Ritu, watch it.
Today I will watch, sir, definitely.
You watch it.
और मैंने वो उसके ग्रुप से, उसके अकाउंट से ही लिया, रितु के अकाउंट से जो पहले भेजा था, और फिर
अरे
से
वो
उसको रिसेंड किया।
मेरा पूरा व्हाट्सएप डिलीट हो गया था, तो सब कुछ चला गया मेरा।
अच्छा ये बताओ रितु, तुमने कितनी बार देखा वो वीडियो?
सर 2 times आई हैव
एक बार और देखो,
ओके,
उसमें पूरा जवाब है। नहीं मिले तो कल जरूर पूछना।
डेफिनेटली सर।
है इतना सा ही वो, कुछ नहीं है उसमें। लेकिन ये तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया, ये बताना चाहिए। तो उसको देखो, उससे हमारा एक व्यू बढ़ेगा, और लाइक भी करना, कमेंट भी करना, तो वो भी हमारे उसमें चैनल में ऐड होगा। फिर कल हमसे पूछना।
ओके सर।
अब रितु, तुम दूसरे सेंटेंस को जरा इन्वर्टेड बना के पूछो।
will everything be fine?
किसी का नाम लेकर पूछो फिर से।
रेनू, will everything be fine?
Yes, Ritu, everything will be fine.
क्या सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा?
हाँ, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Okay, Aparna, will everything will be all right?
Sorry,
Will everything be all right?
come again, भाभी.
Will everything be all right?
Yes, भाभी, don't worry, everything will be all right. Sarika, will everything be all right?
Yes, Di, everything will be all right. Poonam Bhabhi, will everything be all right?
Yes, Sarika, don't be scared. Everything will be all right. Sir, will everything be all right?
Come again, please.
Will everything be all right?
If Modi ji is here, don't worry, everything will be all right. Would you like to complete the process?
सर, क्या सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा?
हाँ, अगर मोदी जी है तो चिंता किस बात की, सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
सर मोदी जी हैं तो मुमकिन है।
हाँ, मोदी
इसको
जी
इंग्लिश
है
में कैसे बोलेंगे?
तो
इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे?
इसको आप भेजिए। अच्छा सवाल है। आज दिन भर में सोच के 1, 2, 3 जितना भी आपसे बने भेजिए, फिर अपन कल चर्चा करेंगे। दोस्तों, हम बी फ्यूचर के इन्वर्टेड प्रयोग नहीं करते। एक्चुअली हम बोलचाल में प्रश्न करते ही नहीं, और हम आपको बिल्कुल सही बता दे रहे हैं। आगे चल के होगा ऐसे ही कि इंग्लिश में आप अपने बच्चे से पूछोगे गोइंग, ऐसा ही होता है। दिस इज रियल इंग्लिश। ना सब्जेक्ट होता ना हेल्पिंग वर्ब। दिस इज रियल कम्युनिकेशन। लेकिन अभी थोड़े समय तो हम इसको इन्वर्टेड नेगेटिव करेंगे। Should we conclude the class now? दोस्तों, लेकिन वो सवाल अभी आया नहीं, तुम लोग सोचो और वो सवाल व्हाट्सएप करो। इसमें एक बहुत अच्छी चीज है, पूछना चाहिए जो सामने है उसको।
So subject,
नहीं,
everything.
Yes,
What
anything
will
will be fine. Will
what
anything be fine? पूछना चाहिए।
what what
Will
Yeah.
anything be fine? तो आंसर में everything will be fine.
what
नहीं,
will
हाँ रितु,
what will be everything fine? What will be fine? क्या सब ठीक हो जाएगा?
ये प्रैक्टिकल थोड़ी, ये तो तुम एक्सप्रेशन दे रही हो ना, क्या क्या बात कर रहे हो, ऐसा कुछ।
क्या ठीक नहीं, क्या ठीक हो जाएगा सर? किस बात से नहीं डरो, क्या ठीक हो जाएगा, मैं ऐसा कहना चाहती
तो फिर वो दूसरा सेंटेंस बनेगा ना, अगर आप एक्सप्रेशन दे रहे क्या ठीक हो जाएगा, तो वो ऐसा बनेगा व्हाट विल बी ऑल राइट।
हूँ। व्हाट विल बी,
जब कोई
व्हाट
बोल
विल बी
रहा है,
फाइन।
जब ये कोई बोलेगा डोंट वरी, डोंट बी स्कैर्ड, एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑल राइट, तब हम एक्सप्रेशन के साथ बोलेंगे व्हाट विल बी ऑल राइट, आई नो नथिंग विल बी ऑल राइट, पता है कुछ नहीं ठीक होगा, ये हो जाएगा। ओके, तो दो चीजें हैं आपके पास, एक तो इसमें एक सवाल आना चाहिए था जो अभी तक आप में से किसी के जहन में नहीं आया है, तो कीप थिंकिंग।
सर वो ऑर्डर और रिक्वेस्ट से रिलेटेड तो नहीं है कि
नहीं,
इसी से बस है, इससे? अच्छा,
आप अपने अगर जो डिजाइन में कुछ आता है तो व्हाट्सएप करते जाना, आज हम चेक कर लेंगे, मतलब कल क्लास से पहले तो चेक कर लेंगे। सो थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस।
थैंक यू सर,
थैंक
हैव
यू
अ
सर,
Thank you,
नाइस
sir.
वीकेंड।
हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा।
थैंक यू, सेम टू यू।
दी भाभी,
Thank-
रेनू भाभी, रियली यू आर लुकिंग गॉर्जियस टुडे, आई लव योर हेयर स्टाइल।
Thank you.
सच्ची।
शी
Your
लुकिंग लाइक
hairstyle
जया
and
प्रदा, नो?
hairstyle, हाँ।
Okay.
हाँ,
लुकिंग
Thank
लाइक
you.
जया
Thank
प्रदा।
जयप्रदा। आज मैं खुद बन गई, जयप्रदा भी हो गई, बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी मिल गए। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, बाय बाय।
ओके,
वेट कर
बाय
लेना,
बाय, हैव अ
कल
नाइस वीकेंड।
वेइंग मशीन में वेट
Thank you.
कर लेना रेनू, थोड़ा खून बढ़ गया होगा।
हाँ, डेफिनेटली।
सच में।
चलो,
ओके,
बाय।
बाय।
बाय।